What's going on, stock traders? It's your boy, What the Duck here, and this is going to be an intro to Pennybois. So we're going to go over how our alerts work, how the Discord works, and of course how Pennybois University, our trading class program, works. So let's just get right into it. Pennybois is a stock alert group that focuses on education. We understand that great stock picks are key to successful trading, but if you don't know how to use them or what to do with them or how to trade them successfully, then there's a good chance that you will still end up losing money and become part of the 90% of traders that quit within their first 3 months of stock trading. We do not want that for you. We understand that trading is not easy. We made plenty of mistakes when we first started trading, but we got lucky and found someone who was willing to help us learn how to trade with a plan instead of just gambling our money away in the stock market. We are here so that you do not have to make the same mistakes that we did. We are also here to help you just as others has helped us in the past. Trading is not easy, but is also not impossible. Pennybois University will help you develop a trading plan based off of risk to reward ratios and risk management. We will teach you about trading psychology and how to overcome certain aspects of emotional trading. We will give you the trading tools and strategies that you can use to successfully track your trades, tweak your plan when needed, search for stocks, research stocks, as well as read candle patterns and charting indicators. And PBU is just the beginning. Once you become a PBU graduate, you'll gain access to the PBU Alumni chat, bonus alumni classes, and exclusive alumni live streams. PBU classes get posted every Monday, 2 per week. Homework for both classes are due the Sunday of that week at midnight, Eastern Time Zone. Homework does not affect your overall PBU grade. To help with retention, if you get 100% on the homework, you get entries for our weekly cash giveaways. PBU live streams is Tuesday, 2:30 p.m. Eastern Time Zone every week. During the stream, we'll be doing cash giveaways, trading trivia with prizes, homework results for the week prior, a bonus indicator or trading tip of the day, and we'll preview the current week's classes as well as do a Q&A. There is a quiz posted once per week, and these are all due at the end of the quarter, and these will help determine if you pass Pennybois University. So let's go ahead and talk about the Discord. As you can see, first up we have the alert channels. We have alerts by Quench and alerts by Lee. So these are our two main alerters. You can find swing plays as well as day trade alerts here. We have our retirement alerts, which are long-term holds. These are around 3-month holds. And then we have the alert bot info. This is where you can look up alerts and search for different alerts as well. We have the alert info, which you can post or view any information or price rises or drops for any of our alerts. This is where you can find all the information from our alerts and little call outs. Our alert questions, where you can ask questions about the alerts. Then of course we have our option alerts. We have our options chat, where you can chat about the alerts. And then options ideas, where you can post your own ideas. These are not alerts, these are just from members. We then have our stock talk. So this is where you can just have general discussion about stocks or alerts. We have our premium pro, which is a VIP area. We have our unsupervised area, which basically anything goes, but of course, be polite. We have our market news. This is where you can post or view news about stocks and the market. Our live stream chat, where you can type and chat during our live streams, which we do in Dad's house and the lounge. The lounge is a voice chat where members are unmuted and can talk amongst themselves. Dad's house is for classes and lectures that we do exclusively for our premium members in the Discord. We do those every so often throughout the week. We then have Pennybois University. So we have our free trading classes, which you can definitely check out. We're adding new ones to this always, so it's always getting updated. Definitely worth checking out because they're free. We have our schedule as well. We go over all the events. You have the Enroll in Pennybois University, where you can click the fire emoji right here to get into Pennybois University once you are a premium member. We have our PBU chat. This is where you can ask any and every question that you might have. There's no such thing as a bad question in the PBU chat. We have premium pro members. We have premium guides as well, who are there to help you with your trading and with your questions. And then depending on when you join, you can join in either April, May, or June. And we do these courses it's going to be a 3-month program. So they go for 3 months. So it's each quarter. So April will be a 3-month course, May a 3-month course, and June a 3-month course. That way you can join whenever and still be able to participate in Pennybois University and not have to rush it and be able to take it at your own time. PBU charting questions, where you can ask all questions regarding charting for Pennybois University. All of our options questions here, going over all the option questions and all the things that people might have to ask as far as our classes go, because in Pennybois University we do go over options and charting. So this is where you can ask about the classes that we do. PBU trading plans is where all of our members post their trading plans, which we do in the middle of Pennybois University around class 9. We have the updates from the guides. This is where the PBU guides will post account updates, so you can follow along with them and see how they play the different alerts. PBU PBU Alumni Chat, which is our special area where our PBU alumni are able to ask more advanced questions. We chat amongst the alumni about more advanced trading, and our ticker channels where you can see how the members are playing different tickers or different alerts. So it's definitely worth checking out as well. You can see what people's averages are, you know, if they're still holding it, how they're playing it. And then we have the contests area. So this is going to be where our weekly cash giveaway is. These are going to be $75 giveaways every Tuesday during the PBU live streams. We also have bonus cash giveaways where we do basically throughout the week. So it's $25 cash, random times throughout the week. We usually try to do like 3 to 4 of them, maybe 5, depending on the week. And our mini games is a fun way to get entries for the weekly cash giveaway. We just do fun little games like, hey, like create a meme using this template, you know, try to guess the stock price, what's going to be like the end of the week, whatever it may be. We just do fun games to get entries, just to keep things. So that is the Discord. As far as the channels go, you have to make sure that you have the arrow right here clicked. You can see all the channels, otherwise they will be minimized. But let's go over the alerts. So how do the alerts work? So we're going to go into the alerts by Lee area, and this is an example of one of our alerts, MPLN. So that is going to be the ticker. So you see the ticker right here is going to be first, then you see what type of trade it is. In this case, it's a swing trade. We have day trades, which means you're in and out on the same day. Swing trades, which are 2 days to up to 3 months, but usually does not last that long. And then retirement plays, which are 3 months. So you can see the alert, what type of trade it is, and then the ideal entry. So these are suggested prices to enter below or at based off of support and resistance levels. Then our first target and our second target price. These are possible resistance levels and possible selling points, depending on what works for your plan. Then the notes are where we can just, where the alerters put different notes about the stock, about why they got into it or how they're getting into it. And that is pretty much how the alerts work. Now remember, these are just recommendations as far as the entries and the target prices go. No two traders trade the same way. Some people have large accounts, some people have small accounts, some people are patient, some are not. Everyone has a different plan in trading. And in our classes in Pennybois University, we focus on helping you develop a plan that you can become your own trader. But for now, just know that just because an alert has a recommended entry and recommended target, it does not mean that you have to do exactly that. We don't want you to be playing follow the leader or driving blind. Here in Pennybois, our goal is to help you turn into your own trader. Think of the alerts as being very educated stock scanners based off of great due diligence, technical analysis, and fundamental analysis. Just because a stock pops out in your scanner does not mean you have to take it. It's just letting you know that there might be a great play if it fits your trading plan. You don't have to take every alert. We have around 10 to 15 alerts per day. If you try to take all of them, you're going to be in a lot of plays, and we teach diversification at Pennybois University. So, you know, you definitely don't want to be in too many plays, and we will go over that in Pennybois. You can also join the live streams. You can click, basically so easy, just click and you're in. You can mute yourself or unmute yourself. Make sure that you're not deafened, otherwise you won't be able to hear what's going on. And you can change your settings on the setting button, and then just you can leave by pressing disconnect. You just click the area. You can go to dad's house, you can go to the lounge, whatever it may be. That's how you join the live streams. We also have the free live stream area where we do free streams for all of our members, including the free members, which you can join the same way by connecting right like that. So we also have our weekly live stream schedule. So the way that that works is every Monday we have our PBU free, which is every Monday, like I said, 2:30 p.m. Eastern time zone. This is a free bonus class on Facebook Live. That's gonna be at facebook.com/groups/btpenny. Tuesday we have PBU Live. That's 2:30 p.m. Eastern time zone as well. And this is our PBU live stream. PBU Live 2:30 p.m. Eastern time zone, and this is our PBU live stream where we go over the homework from the week before, review the week to come, and do some fun giveaways and trivia. Wednesday we have Power Hour Live. That's at 3 p.m. It's live trading with Fast Eddie, Big Quench, and Mr. Stock Lock Profits. Thursday we have another PBU free bonus class at 7 p.m. Eastern time zone. Friday we have Trading with Tagman. This is at 2 p.m. Eastern time zone where you can join Tagman and myself as we go over some great trading tips and tricks for new traders. And Saturday we have PBU free, and that's another free bonus class at 2:30 p.m. Eastern time zone, and those are all on the Facebook at facebook.com/groups/btpenny. Let's go over the Discord a little bit more in depth. You can go over how to set notifications. You just click your little button right here, a little drop down arrow, go to notification settings, scroll down, and you can either mute or unmute. Have it so that it notifies you every time that there's a message, or you can have it where it notifies you every time that you get mentioned, so that you get at whatever your username is, or at Pennybois University members if you're in Pennybois University, or you can mute it, whatever works for you. That's how you do the notifications, or you can even just go into the actual channel and just click this little bell, which will mute the channel on its own. Those are two ways you can mute channels or set the notifications. You can also check your pinned messages. So in every chat, there are some pinned messages that are important messages or just good ones to read. Just click this little pin icon here, and you see all the different pinned messages. messages, how day trading, scalping, and investing work, and a bunch of good tips and tricks basically here in our pinned messages by pressing here. You can also go, if you have any questions, you can go up to the support area. You click this right here and you click the button for which type of support ticket you want to open up, whether it's billing subscription support, technical support, PBU support, or any other questions or feedbacks. Or if you're a free member, you can ask questions by pressing the 6 right here. It'll open a support ticket, which we can view as the administrators and get back to you as soon as possible. The next up is the bots. We have our stock bot in the free area. So you can scroll down, you can see the stock bot right here. And the stock bot is what you can use to look up different resistance points, support levels, Fibonacci. Basically, all you do is you just type in EA space and then the ticker that you want to look up. So in this case, TARKDA brings up RKDA. And if you click the pinned messages, you can have a link right here, which shows you all the different commands that you can use for looking up the bio of the company. You can look up, what type of company it is. You can look up technical analysis and other bunch of great stuff by going to the pinned messages. We also have our alert bot info. It's going to be right here, our alert info bot. And right here is where you can search alerts. What you do is you just type in OA like this, OA, and then you just type in whatever ticker that you're looking for. So it can be, you type in CCIV or SVRA or whatever it may be. You just click in that ticker and the Pennybois bot will DM you the actual alert. So it will DM you what this is right here. That way you can just search for any alert in case you maybe forgot what the entry was, forgot what the target might be. You can just search it right here by clicking OA ticker. You can click the pinned messages to see what all the different commands are as well. You can view all the open and close tickers, the last 5 alerts, look up a specific ticker, and that's all in the pinned messages. You can also search for alerts by going to the search button. You can search by user, you can search by date, you can search by the channel that it's in, and we go over how that all works in the handout, which you can check out in the free trading class area where we have all the handouts and videos for our free trading classes. So I hope that helped. If you have any questions about any of this, feel free to DM me, What the Duck, or if you are in Pennybois University, you can ask any questions you have in the PBU chat, or of course you can open a support ticket, whatever works for you. We are here to help. If you are in PBU, I hope to see your first quiz soon. I hope to be grading that soon. Hope you get 100%. But until then, of course, as always, I hope that you make some bread.